How to remove Meta AI from Messenger. So if you want to remove Meta AI from your Messenger, then first you need to open up your Messenger or your Facebook application, anything, or you just need to simply tap and hold on to that Facebook, and here you will have your eye icon, which is app info icon. Tap on that, and here you will have an option of uninstall. So simply go for uninstall, tap on OK and install the application. Once you uninstall the application, what you need to do is you just need to go to your browser. You should not install it from your Play Store because you will have the updated version on the Play Store. So you just need to go for your browser or Google, anything that you are comfortable with, and search for Facebook install APK. Once you've searched, here you will have Facebook for Android. You can download the app from the website. So go for your trusted website, and once you're here on the website, you can scroll down, and here you will have get the latest version, right? You should not go for the latest version. You need to go for the older versions. Once you're here on the older versions, you can simply select the version which is around 1 or 2 months earlier, like May. You can go for the May or April. Once you're on the April, tap on that, and here you need to see if you have the Meta AI feature under that application or that version. So if you don't have the Meta AI, then simply go for download and download the application and log into your account, and your Meta AI will be removed. But instead of this, we don't have any other feature or any other option to remove the Meta AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.